What's up, guys? It's your boy KC back with another video, or you could call me LP Rallo. Here me with my big head boy, and we back with another video. As you can see, I came second first in festival for the first ever time of my life, and seriously, Junior Style, I have to give this one to you. As you can see, I've been previewed. I need to go and try this in studio right now. So if you want, you know what to do. Hey.
How do I get this out my hair?
What? What are you putting?
Some dough.
Oh, just wash it out. That's what you do. So you can see my scores.
How can I wash it out? I can wash it out, Mom. Mom said them right now on the bottom. And how can I stop crying?
Hey there, Mom was laughing. Don't throw that crap around the camera.
Shit, I can't tell.
Because I never get grounded. Good boy. Just shut up.
We all get grounded.
Something literally and I can't take it out right now. I think can't take it out. This one is home, like keep getting 45. Trash! Cut!
Feel it.
Oh, doing. Leave me alone. Turn the video here.
Where should I hide?
In the closet, no?
Don't tell her.
In fact, upstairs under the bed.
How's my hands are going to stick under, stick spots under? I'm going to make some fun.
So now we're going to do the first game of garage. I feel like to go ahead and dress carrots. If I go around sister again. Yeah. Okay. What?
Today my dog went. He said he wants to do. He said I have to do it, but he said I have to do it on my account. So let's go. Like, what one should I do? Just hoping this is on. Sometimes I've never been on. That's going to be one of the times I will have before you. I've never, ever been on it. So I know this. I just actually.
Also, I just came back. Finished this. Hey, my brother doesn't know.
I just got back from gym.
My brother doesn't know that I just came back from the gym. And by the way, so I got 50.
I don't know.
No cheese. No, there's food up in
Why? Why? I was gonna get everyone steak. What's gonna happen to you?
Where's me? Don't worry, I'm gonna rest. I'm coming.
I'm actually thinking. I don't really know the place on the Rockstars, so
I'm gonna be telling you.
let's start the video.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I already did the video. Okay.
We need to cut the video off. Do you remember the time when FGTV said you have to be bad?
Don't spray that. Just spray that. Why?
Oh, I know.
You want to be listening.
I don't know how to do it.
I'm going to tell you the answers. Take one, Billy. Take one, Billy. They're orange.
You better not tell me what's your answer. Today you're not going to see the time that was properly. I better put
Would you click this? Click that. 2. I'm so bad at this.
now what?
66. Oh my god, I'm so bad.
How I put 66 at it?
2. I'm so bad at iPad. Oh my god, I'm a giga. Where's the keyboard? Put 40.
44.
40. I'm getting good. I think.
Now what?
50. Yours finished before mine. No, we're both not good with the fingers.
How come I got 3 coins? 1 wrong. I actually wanted to get 4.
The thing is that I don't know how to use tablets, so obviously this is gonna happen. Like, what's the point saying that I'm bad? I've never used this in my whole life. I've only used phone and laptop and
We can play on
PC.
charge.
okay, so
Never played
I'm going to go onto my account now. So okay, guys, I just came back. It's getting dark now. Okay, so I'm gonna. Alright, now go on to the pink one. Go on to the pink one. The one what's first. Yeah. Just guess the answers. Doesn't matter if you get them. So, you know, this kid's only in maybe in 3 or 1. So he's 6. Just guess. If you get banded, then I will do it for you. What did it say? No, what's the question? 8 times 2. 16.
I put in 16.
Wait, show. Come and show me. Come, show, quick. They don't want them.
Guys, that's how bad I am. 0 correct.
So good.
9
That's the end
wrong.
of the video. Oh my god, that is so funny. So
I'm gonna say 0.